Hello skaters! Today we are going to work on a step sequence for beginner skaters that includes backward inside 3 turns and other basic steps. As always, we will break the sequence down, work on each element individually and then put them all together. Click the link above or check the description below to find step sequences with other types of 3 turns that I have covered in previous videos. Combining steps and turns not only enhance your edge quality, control, and coordination, but also make your daily practice more fun and engaging. First, let's take a look at the full step sequence. We'll start with a forward and side power Mohawk, followed by a backward and side 3 turn, then a waltz jump with a cross in front. Next, we'll add some rotational toe steps, a 3-step Mohawk, and a backward and side 3 turn in the opposite direction. We will finish it off with a forward cross rolls and a nice flowing Ina Bauer at the end. Let's take a closer look at the first element of our step sequence, the power Mohawk. We'll begin on the right forward inside edge, stepping into a Mohawk on the left backward inside edge. Complete a half circle on that edge, then step into the axis line and perform a 2-foot transition with a power push, gliding into a right backward inside edge. From there, start a new circle with a backward crossover using your left backward outside and right backward inside edges. As you finish that circle, step forward onto the left forward outside edge and begin the next power Mohawk with the right forward inside edge. On the other side, we do the same pattern with the opposite foot. Start on the left forward inside edge, step into a Mohawk, gliding on the right backward inside edge, perform a 2-foot transition into a left backward inside edge, then begin a new circle with the right backward outside to left backward inside crossover. Finish by stepping forward onto a right forward outside edge and begin the next power Mohawk. As you practice your power Mohawks, pay close attention to your free leg extension, making sure to complete clean half circles on both the Mohawk and the crossover. Keep your arms extended to the side and maintain a strong position by bending your knees and ankles over your skating leg while gliding. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Also be sure to check the description below for details about my YouTube membership options, where you can reach out to me directly with your skating questions and even request a personalized video on demand featuring the skating exercises of your choice. Click on a link above or look in the description below for more information. Let's continue our step sequence with a refreshing backward inside 3 turn. We are going to practice this on a circle by working on double 3 turns. Start with a backward crossover. After the crossover, rotate your upper body and perform a backward inside 3 turn, exiting on a forward outside edge. Immediately follow it with a forward outside 3 turn and then step into a backward crossover again. Repeat this combination several times, then switch to the opposite direction. As you practice, make sure to check your shoulder and hip alignment during the turns. Keep your free leg close to your skating leg during the turn. Use your knees and ankles with a down, up, down rhythm through the turn. After completing the backward inside 3 turn, you will glide on a forward outside edge and perform a waltz jump with a cross in front to continue the step sequence. Let's break down and practice just this part, the waltz jump with cross in front. Start by stepping onto a left forward outside edge, bring your free side through, jump forward, and land through the toe of your right foot to glide backward on the right backward outside edge. Immediately after that, cross your left foot in front, gliding on a left backward inside edge. Next, step onto a right forward outside edge to begin the next circle. Swing your left side through, jump half revolution from right to left, and again cross your right foot in front, gliding on the right backward inside edge. Keep practicing these half circles and remember to check your free side back after each jump to maintain balance and control. If you are just starting to learn three turns, mohawks, and crossovers, visit my website styleskating.com and join the Figure Skating Foundation's video course membership. You will learn all the basic skills, single jumps, and spin positions through step-by-step instructions and detailed tutorials. By the end of the course, you will become a confident skater, gliding effortlessly with flow and grace, fully prepared for more advanced exercises, step sequences, and challenging jump and spin variations. Now we are moving on to the toe steps, which follow the waltz jump in our step sequence. Start by gliding on your left backward inside edge, reaching back with your right foot and stepping on the right toe pick. Begin rotating your upper body to the outside of the circle and perform the sequence, and then push into a left backward inside crossover. Immediately after that, cross your right foot in front, gliding on the right backward inside edge, and begin the toe steps in the opposite direction. Initiate rotation by turning your upper body to the outside of the new circle, and then step on the left toe, right, left again, and finish with a cross in front, gliding on the right backward inside edge. Then cross in front one more time with your left foot and repeat the whole sequence to the left side. Continue this pattern around the ring, alternating directions. As you glide before the toe steps, make sure to bend your knee and ankles deeply on your skating leg. During the toe steps, rise all the way up onto your toes, keeping your arms extended to the side for balance and control. Now we are going to repeat the forward cross rolls. Make sure to bend your knees and ankles as you step across the axis. Begin by gliding on your left forward outside edge with your free leg extended. Then bring your free side in closer to your skating leg and then step cross in front to start a new circle on the opposite foot. As you perform the cross rolls, try to keep your shoulders, upper body, and arms as still as possible. Stretch your arms out to the side, stay tall through your torso, and let your feet and edges do the work. Now it's time for the three-step outside mohawk. Keep your upper body facing backward with your hips aligned with your shoulders and your arms stretched out to the side. Start with a forward outside to backward outside mohawk, first on the left foot. Glide on your right backward outside edge after mohawk and immediately cross your left foot in front, gliding on a left backward inside edge to complete a half circle. On the axis, step into a right forward outside to left backward outside mohawk, then cross your right foot in front, gliding on the right backward inside edge. Repeat this alternating pattern across the ring, focusing on clean edges, stable upper body, and controlled transitions. Our last element in the step sequence is the Ina Bauer, which we'll perform on an inside edge along a half circle. Start on the left forward outside edge and swing your right leg through, bringing your right shoulder back at the same time to enter a twisted position. Then swing your free side back, extending your right leg behind you and change your edge to a left forward inside edge. Glide with your left leg bent and your right leg extended behind in a classical force ballet position. You can choose your arm position, but I recommend a diagonal line. Your leading arm low, your free side arm high, and your body leaning gently over your skating leg for better control and expression. From there, turn and cross in front with your left foot, gliding on the left backward inside edge, and begin the Ina Bauer on the other side. Start with the right forward outside edge, swing your left leg through, keeping your shoulders to the outside of the circle. As you change to a forward and side edge, bend your right leg and place your left leg on the ice behind you, slightly trailing with a long, controlled extension. Keep your hips aligned under your body, gliding smoothly on the right forward and side edge. Finally, turn and cross in front with your right foot, gliding on the right backward and side edge, and continue into the next circle. Now let's put all these elements together into one complete step sequence. We'll start on the right forward inside Mohawk, glide along the first half circle, stepping into a 2-foot transition across the axis, and continue gliding on the right backward and side edge. Begin a new circle with a backward crossover, left backward outside edge into right backward inside edge. Next, execute a backward and side 3 turn on the right foot. Immediately after the turn, swing your free side through and perform a waltz jump from right to left, landing and gliding on the right backward and side edge. Continue with the toe steps to the right. Complete 3 toe steps, cross in front with your right foot, gliding on the right backward inside edge. Step into the 3-step Mohawk starting on the left foot, going from forward outside to right backward outside edge. Cross in front with the left foot, gliding on the left backward inside edge. Then go into the left backward inside 3 turn. After the 3 turn, step into forward cross rolls. Start on the right forward outside edge, switch to the left forward outside edge, one more cross roll back to the right forward outside edge, swing your left foot through, and step into the Ina Bauer on the right forward inside edge. Finish the sequence with a turn, crossing in front with your right foot, gliding on the right backward inside edge. Finally, step forward on the left forward outside edge, extending nicely to finish the sequence. Now repeat the same sequence in the opposite direction. In today's sequence, we touched on just a small portion of the basic exercises I cover in my Figure Skating Foundations video course for beginner skaters, available on my website styleskating.com. If you are ready to become a stronger, more confident skater with proper technique, good power and flow, join my video course membership today. Start your journey toward becoming a well-balanced, technically solid skater and enjoy skating with grace and ease by the end of the course. Look in the description below for more information. Thank you for joining me in today's step sequence tutorial for beginner skaters. We worked through each element step by step, from power mohawks and backward and side 3 turns to wall jumps, toe steps, cross rolls, and Ina Bauers, building not only technique but also confidence and flow on the ice. Remember, repetition and mindful practice are the keys to mastering these skills. Keep practicing, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video.